Good evening, everyone, and I'm going to do an update on two of the main indices that I follow: the S&P 500 and the NDX, which is the Nasdaq 100. So on the S&P 500, the daily chart, we have been in this yellow uh, channel. It's an uptrend channel. We've been in. It seems like we came down and tested the bottom of this uptrend channel, and now we're pushing towards on Friday or all last week. We were, we had this nice, fast and furious bounce up, which pushed through this shorter term downtrend line. Now, there's a couple of things that I'm still a little concerned about because the Friday candle gave us this almost like a topping tail, and also the MACD, like you can see um, when we zoom in, it's not hasn't crossed the zero line, which is we're still kind of like in the shark waters, and we were still I'm still I'm still a little bearish, or maybe more cautious in the sense. Let me go ahead and look at the show you what the S&P again on the ETF side, or in the eyes of the ETF, and again on this uptrend channel that we have been in. Um, we were able to push through the downtrend line, but we had this kind of like a spinning top candle, which is still a bearish candle. We had really light volume compared to this down, this expansion on the way down. So anything could change in the next day or two, but I'm still a little cautious, just a little bit. I mean, if we are able, if I should say, I don't know if maybe I should say if the market is able to um, push through this resistance area, um, we will definitely be more um, a lot more bullish than anything, and this won't even matter that this move up is not even gonna matter because my next target's probably closer to 1500s anyways, and I digress. So I'm looking at the S&P 500 futures now, and on the S&P 500 futures, the thing that really uh, concerns me is that on the S&P futures we haven't been able to push through the downtrend line, and the up volume has been contracting, and also the MACD hasn't been able to push through the zero line, which is really concerning. The next index is the NDX, which is the Nasdaq 100. On the Nasdaq 100, again, we're in this uptrend channel. Like you can see, we broke through this uptrend channel, and we haven't been able to cross the downtrend line again. Like you can see, we had this topping tail, um, low volume, and that's very concerning to me. Um, the ETF for the NDX, we're looking more towards the Qs, and on the Qs again we have this uptrend channel, the yellow one, and on the Qs you're looking more of a bearish flag to me, decreasing volume. That's very concerning. And lastly, the Nasdaq 100 futures. On the Nasdaq 100 futures, we have this uptrend channel again. This channel on the way down, we broke through this channel, which is bullish, but at the same time, it's looking again like we're back testing the yellow uptrend channel. So we're just gonna have to see what happens in the next 2 days.